This will be how to on adding a shift and schedule to VT3000. Go to your VT3000 local page, select core software. You can select the shifts and schedules from over here on the left hand side under configuration, or you can navigate through configuration, shifts and schedule, and you get to this area right here. For us, we're going to be adding one. So basically, we're going to give it a name. So call it test schedule. This is your start of the day. So if you're doing multiple shifts over the entire day, like a 3 shift, you probably want to set it for midnight. If you're doing less, so where you're maybe doing like 1 or 2 shifts, you probably want to set it to the beginning of first shift. Type is standard. Next thing you want to do is add the actual shift. So you're going to click on shifts, it's going to bring up this list. You're going to hit add. It'll by default fill this out as 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. have all days of the week. So essentially give it a name, shift's first name, used by default. That means this is the one that you want to use all the time. You would need to change that. So for instance, we're going to change this. We're going to do like a 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Select that, minutes that way, AM, PM this way. What days of the week is that shift being used? So for our purposes, we say Monday to Friday. And then here's where you can add in. So if they have their 2 15-minute breaks on a lunchtime type of a scenario, what you can do is add a break. So let's say from 9:15 to 9:30 a.m. Let's call this first break. And then generally we're going to have a lunchtime. So say that's 11 a.m. 11:30 a.m. be lunch. And then do like a second break, say 1:15 to 1:30 p.m. And that would conclude that first shift. Come back over on here on the left hand side, hit add. You could add a second shift. So for instance here, let's go say 2 p.m. So 8 or 10 p.m. Monday through Friday. And we can add our breaks. Select 4:15 p.m. And we could add multiple breaks to this shift as well. Once you're done, you'd display up here at the top, and it gives you an overall view of what it looks like. Once you're done, you have all your breaks and everything added in. Save and exit, brings you back to here. At any time, if you need to edit that, come in here, change the name, change the start of day, change any of these elements inside first shift or any of them inside second shift. Once you make any changes, make sure you hit save and exit. And that'll conclude this video on how to set up a schedule with shifts. Look forward to talking to you again.